All the walls of Jiangxi have been swept by sensors. We made this urgently because breaking news related to the European situation has come in. Currently, all of Europe is engulfed in tension. It has been confirmed that at least 8 Shahed-136 drones launched by the Russian military while operating over Ukrainian airspace have violated Polish airspace. At least one drone also entered Moldovan airspace, spreading anxiety among neighbors. The Polish Air Force responded immediately. The fighter jets that were scrambled urgently successfully shot down 3 drones over the Rzeszów region, and now the entire military is closely monitoring the situation to determine if there are any additional drones that have violated the airspace. The Rzeszów region, where this incident occurred, is a strategic point close to the Ukrainian border and serves as a major route for the transportation of military supplies by the United States military and NATO. Therefore, this is being regarded as an issue that goes beyond a simple airspace violation and is directly connected to the security of the NATO alliance. As the situation became more serious, not only Poland, but also the air forces of the Netherlands, Romania, the United States, Hungary, and Slovakia scrambled their aircraft simultaneously and launched a joint operation. This is expected to be recorded as one of the cases where a multinational response system to the Russian drone threat was actually put into operation. Experts disagree on whether the incident was a deliberate provocation or an accident during Russian drone operations, but worry that the violation of NATO airspace could escalate into a major international conflict. The Polish government quickly issued the highest military alert. In addition, Lublin Airport and Rzeszów Airport were completely closed for safety reasons, and flight restrictions were also imposed on the airspace over Warsaw. This is seen as a preemptive step to protect both civilian aircraft and vital national facilities. Meanwhile, this incident is not just a simple border violation, but could become a significant turning point that accelerates military tensions between Russia and the West, as well as tests the unity within NATO. The close cooperation between the United States and Poland is seen as evidence that NATO's collective defense principle works in practice. The Polish military is investigating how many drones violated their airspace and has activated all air defense systems in case of more incursions. Whether this incident will end as an isolated event or become the spark for new conflict between Russia and NATO will depend on how things develop going forward. If there are more updates, I'll make and upload another video. Thanks.